3, 2, 1. $100, guys. Yep, you read it right. I'm going to send $100 out of my account to whoever can solve this problem because it's beyond me and it's driving me nuts. I really, really, really want the best smartwatch in the world, and I'm that close from having it, and you guys having it too. Solving this problem will solve this for all of us. Let me lay the foundation for you. Here's 3 watches: the Cospet Prime, the Limfo LEM12, and the Genesis. Now watch this little clip. It's a beautiful day outside, so we're going to take our watches out for a little exercise. I got the Cospet Prime here. Let's turn it on. There you go, everybody. We want to do a fitness. Let's do an outdoor run. I'm sliding over. I'm going to come down here and find the fitness app. There we go. On this beautiful, bright, sunny day, here we go. Says outdoor run. I press the button. Can you see go right there? And 3, 2, 1, and I'm tracking. There's my time. There's my distance. We're good to go. So we are doing an outdoor run on the Cospet Prime outdoors. Now, here is the Limfo LEM12. All right, beautiful watch face. Gonna do the same thing. Come over here. Oh, by the way, they're set at the maximum brightness for the backlighting right now. Let's see. Oh, music. File manager. Here we go. Fitness. All right, what's it on? Outdoor run. See that? Yeah. I'm gonna press the button. I see the word go. There's a little blue arrow. Press the button and boom. There's our elapsed time and all the other data right there. Great. We got both watches tracking under the beautiful bright sunshine, doing an outdoor run. We could stop and check it at any time we like. But wait, we're not done. Here is the Genesis. Whoa! What's the difference? Well, you can see the screen for one. All right, we're going to come over here. We're going to go down and we're going to find the fitness app. Heart rate, fitness, there we go. Okay, I've got an outdoor run I can schedule. Press the button. Got all the information. Oh, we got to locate and turn on the GPS, so let's go ahead and do this. Good thing we're outdoors and we can see all of this stuff, huh? Okay, there's all the other things that are on, and we just activated GPS. And is looking for GPS. Got it. 3, 2, 1. And here we go. There's our elapsed time, distance, and so forth. So I've got filtered sun now. It went behind a little cloud. Great. Now you can really see all 3 watches and the actual elapsed time on all of them, right? Now, when the bright sun comes out, well, you saw that when we set them all up. But wait, there's more. What happens if we decide, okay, let's open, I want to just turn it off. So I'm going to long over here, and it's all shut off. And I want to come back to the camera. There we go, camera. And we want to switch it from outdoor, which is right there, the landscape view, see, straight ahead. I'm going to turn the camera around so I can do a selfie. And you can see I've got my goggles on here. Hi, everybody. This is me doing a video log in filtered sunlight on the Genesis. What's it like here on the LEM12? Well, same thing. We got to bail out of here, but it looks like it left it anyway. So let's go back up to camera. Come in here. Request the front-facing camera. Okay, and now I'm here. You might notice a little more color, but you also might notice it's a little bit washed out. It's as bright as the screen can possibly be and non-reflective. The sky is blue behind me, whereas on this one it's more black and white. But This one, you see all of the contrast. You can actually see me talking, and this one, well, not exactly. I'm under very filtered sun now. You see the clouds up there on this one. They're moving by. Hopefully we'll get some more bright sun before we're all done. Let's bail out of this one here. I should have done that the other way. There we go on the other one. And now on the Cospet Prime, we're looking for the camera. If I can even see here, clock, camera, into camera, reverse the screen. There we are, forward-facing image of me on all three of them. Here are these two under filtered sun, and here is the image on the Genesis and the Cospet Prime together. Now I want to come back when I'm under full sun and show you what these look like. There we go. Oh, and I got a lawnmower starting up in the background. You can even see the sun. It's that little dot right there on the Genesis. Where is it on the Prime? I'm not sure. Now, I've got shade over here. I can move them into the shade. Are you still on camera? I don't think so. Anyway, Cospet Prime, Genesis. LEM 12. Yeah, I'm still got my image going. Genesis. So when you're outdoor, folks, it's a no-brainer as to which machine you can use for your outdoor runs, for photography, for just about anything. It is the Genesis. Now, you can see that normal Android watches wash out in sunlight, even filtered sunlight, but in bright light, because of the design of the Genesis screen, it can get super bright, super clear. It's just the way the screen works. Now, what the drawback is on all of these watches that drains all of the power is the screen light. Every one of them has a backlight. That's why it's so bright in here right now. These are all backlit, including this one. However, you can tone that down through settings like, here we've got the display brightness app on here, and on the Genesis, there's still a little bit of light there, but if you hit it outdoors with a bright light, you'll see it's going to be easy to read. It becomes reflective like an old Casio digital watch. So here's the challenge. The backlight, even dimmed all the way down, is still on. I've been searching all over for a way to shut those roosters up, but I can't, so I'll go on with the review. I've been looking all over for a way to shut that backlight off and leave the screen on. You see, we don't need the backlight on when you're outdoors, and a lot of you guys are outdoors most of the time. So what I'm after is somebody without rooting the watch. That's a big one. It can't be rooted, has to be something we can install easily on our own. Want somebody to figure out a way to turn that backlight off, but leave the screen on. Every other watch, when you turn the light off, you turn the screen off, you stop it. You turn, it's because I got the twist your wrist thing. It's all off. Everything is off. Doesn't need to be that way. We could have the light go off, but the screen contents still be active. They're two different processes, right? Pixels and liquid crystals and all kinds of things going on there to give you the information on the screen. The backlight is just what shines through so that you can see it. But with a reflective screen, you don't need it to shine through. So here's the deal, $100 to the first person that can come up with a way to turn off the backlight but leave the screen on, okay? Now bonus if you can integrate that with the bottom button so that if you press it, it toggles the light off or toggles it back on again. Or even like an old Casio watch, you simply press and hold the button to turn the light on, you let it go and the light goes off, and man, the battery will last freaking forever on this thing. It really will, because the screen is designed for it. We just need help in turning off that backlight. You guys game? So definitely, you need yourself a Genesis, and I want to tell you, they're running out, and there may not be a second production run on these. So Jason did a recent update on this. Go over to kronosblade.com. Click down at the bottom where he has his YouTube section. Flip over to YouTube and watch his update, or just check the show notes. I'll have the link there. He is pretty much closing everything off, and when this first production is done and shipped, that may be all we're going to see of these. So if you're thinking about getting one, especially at the price he's offering, now's really the time to jump on there. And if you want to go for the competition, you definitely need one, because you're going to have to show me that it actually works in a video on your Genesis, and I got to be able to reproduce it on this one. But I'm telling you, if I can, if you can, if we can, we will have the creme de la creme of watches with really long battery life, because it won't be dependent on a stupid backlight being on for a watch that doesn't need it anyway. You've been watching Smartwatch Ticks. Thanks for being here. Hope you like fun little things like this. Man, I've been pulling my hair out. If you guys can help, I will be happy as a lamb. Catch you later.